Hi everyone, so glad to be with you. I haven't seen you since November, well, most of you since November. So I'm reaching out. I want you to get a chance to kind of ease back into our yoga class over the next few weeks. Hopefully we'll be able to start classes maybe the end of May at this point. So I'm planning on doing a few of these about 15-minute sessions. Today will be the beginning of our class, which would be our centering or meditation. And then next video will be more of our stretching, moving into tabletop. And then after that, getting into the standing poses and some of our flows, and then a final shavasana and cool down. So I hope you can enjoy yourself with this, and looking forward to seeing you all in several weeks. So we're going to start with an opening meditation. And what I want you to do first is find a comfortable position, whether it's sitting or lying down. I know mainly in our class we did lying down, so if that's what you want to do today, that's great. If you want to sit, that's fine as well. So you're going to use support underneath of you if you're in the sitting position. You want to make sure that you are feeling those sit bones underneath, centering and your body and anchoring your pelvis into the surface in which you are sitting on, using a bolster or a blanket. Keeping the shoulders relaxed, hands down at your sides, or you can rest them in your palms or your palms on your lap. If you're lying on your back, you may want to put a support under your knees, maybe a small folded blanket underneath of your head, maybe some support under your neck, relaxing the shoulders back. So now we're going to start settling our body and our mind to prepare for our meditation practice. So go ahead and shut your eyes, settle in, and let's begin with our diaphragmatic breathing. And breathing in through your nose and out through your nose or your mouth. That's up to you at this point. As we are sitting here breathing or lying as we're breathing, feel that abdomen rise on the inhale and fall on the exhale. If you were exhaling through your mouth, let's bring that into the nose. Feel the coolness of the air as you're breathing in through your nose. And as you exhale, feel the warmth of the air on the exhalation. We're bringing your mind inward, your thoughts slowly dwindling away. Feel your abdomen rise on your inhale and descend on your exhale. Tension away from the shoulders, the neck, the jaw. The eyes are sinking deeper into their sockets. The eyebrows are widening away from each other. Your body is supported as you're lying here on your mat or sitting, and the pressure on the pelvis is relaxed. Let's begin to deepen the breath. As we go into our inhale, let the abdomen rise and bring that in for a count of 4, 5, or 6. And then as you exhale, the same count, 4, 5, or 6. You find a count that is comfortable for you. Trying to expand the abdomen, but also the side bodies of the ribs, letting that area open up. Remember, the diaphragmatic breath is not just through the front, but also in the back body and the sides. As you begin to deepen the breath, feel if you can feel that breath all the way down into the pelvis, down into the pelvic floor, as deep as possible. Inhaling, letting the abdomen rise all the way down inside the pelvic bowl towards the pelvic floor, releasing tension on the exhalation. Let's stay here for a few more breaths. Allow your mind to let go and gather a sense of silence. Your mind will make the decision whether you can silence it or not. Let go of thoughts that do not serve you. Do another 2 or 3 more deep, deep breaths in through the nose, down to the pelvis, and exhaling. Exhale any heaviness of your thoughts, beliefs, past experiences. Let that go on your exhalation. You choose to carry heaviness. Let's get lightness into your breath, into your body. Let's move away from the past and move to the now, the present. Your breath, your silence, your calm. If your mind wanders, make a connection to the earth. You can put your fingertips that are closest to the earth. So if you're sitting, you can put your fingers onto the ground. If you're lying on your back, you can place your fingers on the ground. Just this little slight shift to an effort to promote some connection, calmness, and support if you need to do that. If your mind continues to wander, you can tell it, not now. Turning the thinking mind off and focusing on your breath. Breathing in through the nose, abdomen, ribs, back body expanding, and exhaling, letting it all fall back to rest. Notice the sense of calm, silence of your body. And pause here. Relish in this moment. And then resume your breathing effortlessly. Continuing to let go of your thoughts. You're here now. Let self go. Self-doubt go. Let all your labels go. Let self-suffering go, as it serves no purpose to you. It will last as long as you hold on to it. Let it go. Welcome calmness. Welcome free will. Welcome less effort. Welcome acceptance. Welcome here and now. Welcome a happy face emoji. Let your smile be contagious. Let's stay here and be for the next few moments. Continuing to follow the breath. Exhaling any unwanted thoughts. Inhaling life. Exhaling love. Breathe it all in. Love it all out. Slowly bringing your awareness back to the room. Wiggling your fingers, your toes. Gentle motions of your ankles and your wrists. Take yourself into a full body stretch if you desire. Then roll over to your side and pause. Noticing how your body feels. Less tension, more calmness. Then using your arms, push yourself up to a seated posture. Letting your head be the last to rise. If you already were in a seated position, just rolling out the shoulders and the wrists, opening the eyes to a slight downward look towards the ground is a good way to come back to the room. Bring your hands into heart center, opening your eyes slowly, pressing the palms together. Namaste. Thank you all for joining me. Stay tuned for the next video. And stay safe.